Uphiko lwamaphoyisa lwase-Cato Manor olwaziwa ngeleKito olwaluholwa ngowayeyinhloko yama-Hawks KwaZulu-Natal uMajor General Johan Booysen lusolwa ngokusoconga abantu abangama-28 phakathi kuka-2008 no-2011. U-Aris Danikas waba yingxenye ye-Cato Manor njengelungu elilekelelayo kulolu phiko ngemuva kokuqokwa nguBooysen owaphinde wamkhomba indlela ngo-2008 ngemuva kokungaboni ngasolinye. Esitatimendeni sakhe uDanikas wabhala ukuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi wabona izimpawu ezikhomba ukuthi uBooysen kanye namanye amalungu e-Cato Manor babecwasa ngokwebala ngenxa yendlela ababekhuluma ngayo ngabantu abambisholo.
On later reflection, I realized that General Booysen and several members of the unit harbored racist views and prejudice against Africans. During my interaction with him, General Booysen frequently expressed racially derogatory views about African persons, including referring to Africans as, quote, subhumans, apes, and animals.
uDanikas uveze ukuthi uBooysen wayenza yonke imisebenzi yasehhovisi kulolu phiko okubala nokuqokela amalungu ezikhundleni kanti wayefuna amalungu eKito abe ngawebala elimhlophe kuphela.
Johan Booysen was a close friend of mine. He was very proud of the unit, the Cato Manor unit. He always called it his pet project. And it was a very close community of members. In fact, I recall him telling me that he tried to keep it all white.
Emacaleni uChauke aphenywa ngawo kubalwa nokugxambukela kwakhe ekushushisweni kukaJohan Booysen emacaleni enkohlakalo KwaZulu-Natal. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.